Hi, I'm Mark Garner from EXP, and you would be forgiven for thinking that I'm in the Arboretum in Walsall Town Centre today. I'm not. I'm actually at this 3-bed semi-detached property in Bloxwich, Walsall, that's just gone onto the market. The garden, it really is a beauty. We've got a couple of pools here. We've got some area just behind me here for your hot tub, some storage for all your cushions, seating area. It really is a cracking garden and would be perfect for a young family to enjoy those summer evenings. Now, the property itself is just behind these trees. Yes, you're probably struggling to see it, but what I want to do is get you inside that, let you have a look around and see what you think of the property. So without further ado, let's get you inside this property. Follow me. So that's it, guys. You've seen inside this wonderful 3-bed semi-detached property. I do hope you agree that it is stunning, and this garden, well, the sun is shining now. I just want to sit on the table and chairs, or any of the chairs over there, and just enjoy a cool drink. So if you are interested in this property, feel free to reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. You can leave a message underneath, comment, whatever it is you want to do. You can ring me on 077 89 647 226 or email me at mark.garner@exp.uk.com. Well, that's it for now. I think I am going to take some time out and get a cool, refreshing drink and enjoy this weather. So until next time, I'll see you soon.